warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Halo semuanya. Perkenalkan saya Enggal Vicky Dermawan dari Universitas Cyber Asia, Program Studi Informatika. Di sini saya akan melaksanakan ujian akhir semester saya dalam mata kuliah struktur data. Dan di sini saya ditugaskan untuk mereview jurnal internasional yang bertemakan graph. Karena di sini jurnal internasional, saya akan menjelaskannya dalam bahasa Inggris dan juga bahasa Indonesia. Saya mengambil judul dari jurnal tersebut yaitu Enhancing Sign Graph Attention Network by Graph Characteristic (EN Analysis). Berikut ada link untuk artikel atau jurnal tersebut. Jurnal ini dipublish oleh Mahidol University di Bangkok, Thailand oleh Panatda Kewit Chaun and Park Pern. Berikut adalah hasil dari review jurnal yang telah saya kerjakan. For the first abstract, a graph neural network or GNN is one of successful methods on handling tasks on a graph data structure. AG, not MD. Link prediction and not classification. GNNs focus on a graph's data structure that must aggregate message on nodes in the graph to retain a graph structure information in new nodes message and process text on a graph. One of modification on this propagation step in GNNs by adopting attention mechanism as a graph attention network or GAT. Applying this modification to sign graph generated by sociological theories is called sign graphs attention network or CAGN. In this research, we utilize CGAT and create novel graph using graph characters to assess the performance of CGAT's model, embed and nodes across various characteristic graphs. The primary focus of our study was link prediction, which aligns with the task employed in the previous research on CAG. We proposed a method using graph characteristics to improve the time span on the learning process in CAG. Jadi kurang lebihnya asal ini a graph neural network or GNN, biasa disebut GNN, salah satu metode yang sangat berhasil untuk menangani tugas-tugas atau menangani tugas-tugas pada struktur data graphs. Dan dalam penelitian ini mereka menggunakan tadi attention network or biasa disebut SEGAT seperti itu. The focus of the article is the analysis and enhancement of the sign graph attention network or SEGAT model using graph characteristic. For the research objective, to develop and test and improve CAGT model using graph characteristic for link prediction tests. And for the benefits of the research is to improve the performance of the CGAT model in link prediction text by using more suitable graph characteristic. And this theory support the research. For the first balance theories, the research utilized balance theory to assess the time spent on the models. Balance theory is applied to generate new datasets, to train the models, and to examine the types of graphs suitable for CGAT models. The main task was link prediction, which is consistent with the previous study on CAGT. And the characteristic graph from balance theory are of particular interest because they are neither as complex as the SEGAT 38 model for as complex as the CGAT 30X model, nor as simple as the two characteristic graphs from status theory. The Blest theory generate characteristic graphs that are used to confirm the performance of the CAGHT models. And then the other theory support these research is status theory. Status theory is mentioned as being particularly suitable for direct graph datasets, which have search and sinks representing the origin and destination of relationship. The original CAGT model, which has 38 characteristic graph, Lee's SEGAT 38, was revised, was revised to incorporate both status theory and balance theory. And these theories are integral to the research as they provide the foundation for generating characteristic graph lists and improving the SEGAT model's performance in link prediction text. And for the place and time, the specific location of this research is not mentioned, but the research was uh, received on November 3, 2033, and published on February and accept on February on 2034. And I mentioned for this respondent instrument type of research mentioned and data analyze. For respondent, the specific of reference are not mentioned in this profit document. The instrument dataset generate to train the SAGET models and type of research method is experimental research involving graphs model and performance analysis. And for data analysis, as evaluation of the CAGT model's performance using the generated datasheet. For research findings, is improved performance of CAGT models. The enhanced CAGT models, incorporate which incorporates characteristic graphs, shows improved performance in link prediction text compared to the previous model. This improvement is validated through the evaluation of database generated from balance theory and studies theory. For research findings, as evaluation on Bitcoin Alpha dataset, there are experiments of the Bitcoin Alpha dataset reveal that the HNC AGT model achieve a recall place value of 1 and blah blah. And for the second, the analysis results show the SEGAT 38 model has a precious of 0.95 and previous or minus of 0.58 with an F1 score list of um, 0.96 and F1 score min of 0.36. And research findings is reduced training times. Model generated from balance theory and status theory requires significantly less training time compared to the SciJet 38 models. For instance, the UNDI and fixed base models require only about one third of the training time needs by CAGT 38. And challenge and future, the challenge phase for the specification of challenge phase are not mentioned in the profit document, but for the study is for future research will future explore the development and application of the ancient CGAT model. For the conclusion, effectiveness for characteristic graphs. The study calculates this using characteristic graphs derived from balance theory and status theory can enhance the performance of the CAGT model in link prediction tests. Characteristic graphs from balance theory in particular show good performance without the high complexity of the CAGT 38 models. And the other constellation recommendation for future research. The research recommendation further studies on models generated from balance theory and status theory, especially for tasks beyond line prediction. The ND and fixed bias model, which exhibit good performance with shorter training times, are suggested as promising candidate for future research. And the other constellation application of balance and status theories. Balance theories are status theory are used to generate characteristic graphs lists that improve the CAGT model's performance. Status theory is particularly suitable for direct graphs database, while balance theory provides effective characteristic graph that are not overly complex. It is for this all for me presentation. Cukup dari saya untuk pemaparan UAS struktur data. Kurang lebihnya mohon maaf. Terima kasih. Thank you.